Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. So today we are discussing the difference between a one-page resume and a normal resume. So if your resume is too short or skimpy, recruiters and hiring managers will think you don't have a lot to bring on the table, says Peter Yang, New York City based co-founder of the resume writing service Resume Go. Well, on the flip side, if your resume is too long and bloated, readers will likely get bored or annoyed. So let's find out about a one-page resume. One-page resume is normally used by freshers, trainees, or recent graduates with few years of work experience. In one-page resume, a candidate must focus more on the specific skill set required as per the job description. Recruiting managers are busy people, and having to sort through hundreds of applications is indeed an issue for them. However, this can be resolved if short and concise resume is presented to them. So let's look at the pros of a one-page resume. Firstly, with limited space, you are more likely to present your vital skills and strengths, by which the recruiter's attention gets automatically dragged to important information you present about yourself. And secondly, short or one-page resume makes an image in recruiter's mind that you are clear and focused about your career. And about the cons, firstly, a one-page resume is not suggested for candidates who have a lot to present. Secondly, not suitable for senior level candidates. And lastly, when too much information is presented in one page, it creates difficulty for the recruiters to read. Now, let's explore a normal resume. It is preferred for a person possessing technical and other relevant skills with more than 3 years of work experience or senior level candidates. An extra page is required to convey all the critical information an employer needs to know, says Holbrook Hernandez. However, it is important to mention the stellar qualities on the front page itself, because the recruiting managers are likely to focus more on the front page. Now let's look into the pros of a normal resume. Firstly, preferred for senior level candidates and those who have a lot to present. Preferred if you possess certifications, technical skills in detail. And what must be the cons? It can invite wordiness. A recruiter will not be able to focus on vital skills if each and every skill is presented in detailed format. Now, if we come to the conclusion, it is great if you present your stellar qualities and work experience in one page, but otherwise also it is not an issue if you present it in more than one page. The only thing that matters is the relevant information. Try not to present any false information. If you will overstuff your resume, then it will portray to recruiters that you willingly want the job, which definitely creates a bad impression in the recruiter's mind.